PlayStation surrendered.
Good. Alright, get the fuck out of my sight, you two.
I should fucking head eyes you right then and there.
Hey, I'm the one that stays in one spot, alright? I'm giving you guys the chance to go set up wherever you want to.
So far, every raid I've gotten blitzed by AI, like, right off the bat.
This laser is a big improvement from the vanilla laser. God damn.
That's Tagilla.
Oh yeah, that's the bright laser mod.
That AI should have killed me.
I just got head eyes by an AI. Alright, that's
I'm dead.
fine.
Yep, I'm dead.
Oh, fuck. Killa's here, too.
Alright, we might want to turn off AI for these runs, just for fun.
I don't mind it being on. I died dumb anyway. I died deservedly dumb. I
know, but if
I
we're...
pushed a guy with an M4 with the pistol. I'll be like, alright, I can pop this guy off. I can totally dominate this fight. Dies.
I'm still streaming or no?
Alright, let's see. You said you saw Tagilla and Killa?
I saw Tagilla for sure.
Oh, he had Saiga. Oh, so I got pumped.
Catch this, you bitch!
I'm kind of pinned.
I mean, your last one's Toma, so it's all up to you. Let's just see how long you can survive.
I want to get Tagilla with the pistol. He was somewhere right over here.
Oh! Yeah, that's definitely Tagilla.
Fuck, changing mag!
Oh, you son of a bitch.
Nice.
Enemy killed!
Alright, this is his brother here.
Wait, so we can use his melee now?
Yeah, take his sledgehammer.
How do I use melee?
It does an incredible amount of damage.
I'm gonna try to kill someone with it.
But it's also heavy as hell. It's also worth a lot of money. Like, you're holding about 200 grand in rubles right there. Yeah, so the mod bases it off the cultist knife asset, which is why it looks a little bit weird whenever you swing it, but... It also means that you lose it when you die.
Ouch. God damn it.
What I really want, though, is Halloween Tagilla's weapon. Because Halloween Tagilla gets a scythe.
Where was that
But it's,
motherfucker?
I actually thought that scumbag Japanese businessman would have doubled down, but they didn't. That's good.
You son of a bitch. I'm gonna come kill that dude.
Which one? The one with the stupid fucking mask on?
Yeah. Oh, I got a Propital. Hang on.
Good luck, he's got a Sega. The 12. The Sega 12. And his buddy, who, yes, he has a buddy, has a PPSH.
Leroy Jenkins!
Forward. Follow me!
I was so fucked, dude. I had nowhere to go.
Yeah, you were fucked. Where's the Sunday,
Dude, my dead body, the head is just Shaking no as I'm dead. It's just like shaking like no, not like this. And my leg got completely blown off.
Manu, do you have a bolt action rifle?
No.
Okay. Okay, we gotta get Manu a bolt action rifle.
I want to see
We're doing we're doing snipers only, boys.
Chad.
We all played Rust back in the day on Modern Warfare 2. We all know how it goes.
Like with scopes and everything?
I mean, if you
Or
want
no
a scope. Do we want to do scopes? Is this a quick scope competition? I'm down with forcing a scope requirement.
Or no scope. I don't know. I'm just saying. I don't know what I have. I don't really have a sniper gun. Let me see what I have.
I mean, I can buy y'all Mosins.
I think
We can just do Mosin.
I think that's all.
Because I think we
might
can
have.
all buy Mosins,
I
right?
think I have a Mosin.
Plus, it'd be kind of unfair if you guys were running around with Mosins and I had a 338 Lapua Magnum sniper.